Welcome to the CAT BPI installation video.
So what's in the box? The BPI, or Bluetooth Programming Interface, is used to configure WaveLinx CAT standalone rooms. WaveLinx CAT devices are wired in a daisy chain. Each Cat5 port should have either a Cat5 cable or an end-of-line terminator installed. On the face of the BPI is a push button. If that button is held for 5 seconds, the unit will factory reset. Typically, the BPI is not permanently mounted. However, there are wings on the side for mounting, if that's necessary. Using a mobile device, download the WaveLinx CAT app to make configuration changes to the WaveLinx CAT standalone room. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.